Hello, this is Jan Zoller, the Director of University Mentoring, and I'm going to go over a few of our forms in this section of our SharePoint site. The first form we have is the University Mentor Record of Candidate Visitations. This document is really important as it gives one an overview of your work with the candidate during that semester and is housed with the other documents in your candidate's file on campus as a legal record. When you fill out this form, and I would suggest you fill out the form for each candidate right at the beginning of the semester so it's ready to use. Please fill out all the top section, making sure that you check the correct box for whatever your student is, initial, PIP, STIP, intern, final, etc. On the first line, you would put the date and then when you had your first contact with your student. Many of you attended a launch during this week and you want to make sure you record that. And so you could just put semester launch, met with student regarding overall of the semester mentoring, planning visits, whatever you want to do. But we do ask on each line that you put 3 or 4 words, not more than one short sentence, kind of what was happening during that observation or during that conference or during that meeting. On your line 2, it might be observation number 1, small class instruction, reading comprehension, or full class math fractions or division or whatever it might be, but more than just putting observation. When you have your midterm, go ahead, put the date of the midterm conference, put midterm conference, because we know what that is and that's comprehensive. So you would put everything on here. Each semester you need to have a minimum of 4 observations that you complete an observation feedback form on. The choice is to do 5 if you want, but you have to have 4 per CTC requirement. For the whole mentoring situation or process, 8 visits is the minimum. So if you have your meet and greet or the first conference, that's 1. You have your midterm, you have your final, and you have 4 observations. That leaves you 1 more to complete that 8, and you can choose an observation, a conference, whatever you feel is necessary in your circumstance. If you do a couple more, that's fine too, but we don't expect you to meet with them every single week. Then down at the bottom, at the end of the semester, if you would check the boxes of the documents that will be in your folder for the end of the semester and just type in the submission date, what date everything is done. Then you're going to put it in your folder, and that's all you have to do. Thank you.